In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a listing on Facebook Marketplace, a great way to sell items locally and reach a wider audience. We'll go through each step to help ensure your item gets the attention it deserves. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Marketplace. This can be done simply by typing Facebook Marketplace into the Google search bar and clicking on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Facebook Marketplace homepage, you should see a button that says Create New Listing. Go ahead and click that. This is your entry point into adding your item for sale. Now that you've clicked Create New Listing, you'll need to choose your listing type depending on what you'd like to sell. Facebook gives several options like item for sale, vehicle for sale, property for rent, and more. Select the most appropriate category for your item. If you're posting a general item, item for sale is usually your best bet. Next up, you'll need to enter all the details about the item you're selling. There will be fields to highlight the name and condition of the item. Be sure to fill these out accurately to ensure potential buyers have all the information they need. The description should be as detailed as possible, highlighting any unique features or potential defects, which helps build trust with your audience. As you move along, you might notice an area for clicking on additional descriptions such as condition options. Choose from a list like new, used, like new, and others to accurately reflect the state of your item. For categories, you can choose settings consistent with your item like family or garage sale, which help in targeting your listing to interested buyers. You may also come across an option to upload photos of your item. This is crucial. Make sure to use clear, high-quality images from different angles. By doing so, you give buyers a good sense of what they're purchasing. It's often said that a picture is worth 1,000 words, and this couldn't be more true when selling items online. Once you've input all your information and uploaded images, look for the next button and click on it. This will lead you to a preview of your listing where you can double check your work. Ensure everything looks great and all the information is correct, because next we publish. When you're satisfied with the preview, click on Publish to make your listing go live. Congratulations, your item is now visible to potential buyers in your area. Keep an eye on your messages for any responses to your listing and be sure to respond promptly to inquiries. Thank you for following along and happy selling on Facebook Marketplace.